Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to an episode of Hoppin' To It with yours truly, Bill Jr. Today, what I wanted to do is share with you a little bit of kind of state of the union of roofing and of Kanga Roof because, heck, it's 2020 and that means nothing is how it normally is. So I thought it was a great opportunity to pump the brakes, pause, recap what's going on, recap some of the things that we do offer to people and some of the great and exciting things on the horizon. So first out of the gate, it is 2020. There is a pandemic going on, but we have never and will never waver from our commitments to safety, and we always want our clients to know that. We continue to follow all protocols. We continue to have our team masked up, following every appointment, sanitizing, using freshest set of floor savers. It's all about keeping you safe, keeping the team safe, which then keeps the next client down the road safe, and we're not going to waver from that. It's just too important to us for your safety and for our teams because that's what makes this whole thing go round. Number two, how's the year been? Well, it's been crazy busy. We were very, very nervous with the COVID pandemic, but in reality, we have been busier than we have ever been. We're actually breaking records that we didn't think. We set aggressive goals for growth this year. We're shattering them. And any contractor I know in other trades is doing similar things because there's such a pent-up demand for quality craftsmanship out there for home improvements and business improvements. We simply can't keep up. There's no better way to say it. So we are now experiencing longer than normal lag or lead times. And what this really means is as we start to get into the colder months, we're going to end up being booked up for the entire year, weeks, if not months, sooner than we normally have been. It's why we've been stressing and trying to share with any of our previous clients and their friends and family, if you think you're going to be in the position that you're going to need a roof repair, whether it's on your commercial building or residential, you need to get on that right now because it's not going to shock us if we get into September, maybe October, and we're completely booked up for the entire year. We're already nearing it in certain services that we offer. So please, 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 please don't delay. If you need the work done, you know that it's not going to survive winter, or you have some really grave concerns about it, get it done now. Two other really important reasons why you want to get it done now too. First and foremost is we got alerted that there's major supplier increases that are kicking in throughout the month of August. And simply put, what we've done is we've negotiated to hold all of our pricing through the end of September. So we're not going to change anything for anyone until after September 1. But for anyone, like if we come out the last week of August, your quote's only going to be good until September 1 because that's just how we have to operate. So if you're toying with it, get it in now. Don't wait. Don't delay because we don't want you to have to pay those higher prices. If it's in, we can order the product. The suppliers have already guaranteed us shipping and holding the materials. So don't make yourself have to pay more just simply because the materials are going to cost more in a couple of weeks. The other big thing that kind of is on everyone's mind is we don't know what's going to happen in the fall with the pandemic. Very, very possible that we're going to see spikes. If we see spikes, we don't know what that means for our state and our ability to work. We've already seen in the past this spring that our state government had to shut down, and roofing was part of that. We were not deemed essential at the time. It eventually evolved. There's a possibility we could be in that exact same position. And if that were to happen in October and November, those last final best months for roofing, there could be a lot of folks in need that simply can't get roofs put on until next spring. And who knows what pricing is going to be, how the pandemic's going to affect everything by then. So really, really from a sincere place, don't delay. If you think you have a need, get it done now. Get it on the books so you're not playing with fire, whether it's from the virus, pricing, the government. There's no reason to do that. Last thing I want to do is just remind everyone of all the great services that we offer. So first and foremost, always remember, we are one of the few contractors that actually service both residential and commercial roofing. We have complete separate divisions when we talk about that. So it's not jack of all trades trying to do everything. We have specialized crews who do low slope roofing, steep slope roofing, metal roofing, siding, gutters. Most importantly, too, I think for a lot of folks, repairs. We are insanely busy for repairs. There was a period about a week and a half ago that just to get us out to look at a repair, we had a 2 week wait time. Forget how long it was going to take to get the repairs done because people can't get contractors out there to do repairs. We're still happy to do it, and we're rolling with that every single day, 6 days a week. So remember that. Now, within each of those categories, so you have commercial roofing, residential roofing, and service, we then offer some chimney rebuilds and repair for masonry work. We have siding, so vinyl siding, hardy board, wood. We also offer gutter services, gutter guard services. So there's a real large litany of services on the residential side that we offer. On the commercial, obviously you have low slope roofing, which is rubber and PVC and TPO and fiber tight. We also have metal roofing, right? And metal transcends. It's one of those that go on both sides of the fence, both residential and commercial. So that's another great service that we offer to you. And at the end of the day, the great part about working with us is you get the quality craftsmanship. You know everyone's background checked. You know everyone's drug screened. You know you're working with a family and a team here that lives out our core values every day. Number one, family. Number two, safety and protection. And number three, do it the right way the first time, every single time. That's how we drive every decision that we do. We're not going to quit until it's right. That's really what it boils down to for us, and we're passionate about it. And this year, maybe more than ever, with all the craziness out there, we're going to continue to grind at that every single day to serve you, to keep Metro Detroit safe, keep them happy, keep them dry. So, hope everyone's doing well. I hope you're staying safe out there. Hope you all hop to it. Have a great weekend. I can't wait to talk to you again.